Sensibility and practicality define the 2017 Ford Escape. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, automatic temperature control, fully automatic headlights, and cruise control. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.